Customize lock screen. Unlock your device and then go to your phone settings. Once you are in your phone settings, scroll down and tap on wallpaper and style. Here you will find your lock screen preview. Just tap on your lock screen preview and you directly jump into your lock screen editing page. Now to change your lock screen clock style, select your clock and select your font and color. And you can go ahead and select a different clock font for your lock screen, just like so. Now you can also change your lock screen clock font color, just like so. And here, using this thin option, you can make your clock font bold. Then go to style. Here you can select different style clock, as you can see. And after that, to add any widget in your lock screen, just tap on add widgets. And here I'm going to adding the weather widget. So I'm tapping on weather and adding this weather widget. That's how you can go ahead and add multiple widgets. Now if you want to change your lock screen app icon, just tap on the app and now you can go ahead and select actions, or you can select a different app from here. Same way you can change your second app. Just tap on the app and choose different actions or apps. Once your editing finish, if you want to change your lock screen wallpaper or background color, just tap on wallpapers. And now from here you can go ahead and select a different wallpaper for your lock screen, or you can select a different color. Once your editing finish, just tap on done. That's it.